The headlines are everywhere. China unveils a robot army. The world is watching, stunned. On February 11, 2026, the axis of innovation shifts, not to Silicon Valley, but to Shanghai. The Bun's lights glitter as a massive crowd gathers, tech leaders, military brass, journalists, all waiting. This isn't a product launch, it's a global statement. The future has arrived, and it's not waiting for anyone. Onto the stage walks not a CEO, but something else. The Pangu, China's new humanoid robot. Sleek, metallic, and eerily graceful, it commands attention. The Pangu's sensors glow blue as it raises a hand, fluid, almost human. The crowd is silent, captivated. This is no longer science fiction. The Pangu speaks in flawless Mandarin, English, and Russian. The message: the game has changed. We've seen robots before, on assembly lines, vacuuming floors, but this is a leap. The Pangu performs a delicate tea ceremony, lifts a 200-pound weight, solves a complex puzzle, and converses with its creator, showing wit and understanding. This is more than programming, it's a new kind of intelligence. Shockwaves ripple worldwide. In Washington, alarms ring. In Silicon Valley, emergency meetings are called. The question: how did China get so far ahead so fast? While America debated and looked inward, China was preparing to run. The Shanghai shockwave is more than a tech demo. It's a challenge, a gauntlet thrown on the world stage. America must now decide how to respond. The world's balance is shifting. The Pangu's debut is a wake-up call. The future is here, and it's moving at China's pace. The crowd in Shanghai knows it. The world knows it. The race for technological supremacy has a new leader. The question is, can America catch up? The next move is ours. The world holds its breath. The dawn of a new era has begun. What are these machines? The Pangu series, from Celestial Dynamics, is more than a walking computer. These are autonomous assistants for every sector: healthcare, construction, elder care, emergency response. They see, hear, and feel with advanced sensors and processors rivaling the West's best. They learn, adapt, and communicate on secure networks. This isn't just a better robot, it's a new workforce. In Shenzhen hospitals, Pangu units check vitals and access records instantly. On Guangzhou construction sites, they lift steel and weld with perfect precision, 24/7. No fatigue, no complaints, no human error. Productivity and safety soar. China is weaving these robots into daily life. Their fine motor skills allow surgery, their mobility conquers disaster zones. Their AI predicts problems and prevents failures. A Pangu in a power plant detects issues before humans ever could. This is operational efficiency on a new level. It's not just about replacing jobs, it's about unlocking new possibilities. Humans can focus on creativity and innovation, while robots handle the dangerous and dull. China's leadership sees this as a cornerstone of national strategy. They're building not just robots, but a new economic engine, powered by silicon, data, and AI. And that engine is just getting started. The world must ask, where is our answer? The gap is growing. The revolution is real. Shanghai's news hit Silicon Valley like a thunderclap. The old arrogance, American innovation is untouchable, is gone. Now, urgency fills the air at Google, Apple, Boston Dynamics. Whiteboards overflow, code is written at breakneck speed. Our lead has vanished. While we obsessed over apps, China built hardware and scale. America has brilliant robotics companies, but their work has been experimental, not scalable. China's focus: mass production, rapid integration. We have a patchwork of companies, not a unified national strategy. Now it's a mad dash to catch up. Venture capital floods any startup with humanoid in its pitch. The government talks about a national robotics initiative, but talk isn't enough. We need action, like the moonshot era. Our system is built on competition, not top-down direction. Can free market innovation match China's state-driven machine? The talent is here, but the game has changed. China plays chess, planning years ahead. We've been playing checkers. The Pangu robot is manufacturable, affordable, scalable. American innovators must shift from research to real-world application. The race is on, and we're starting from behind. The challenge is clear. The stakes are high. The world is watching. The revolution goes beyond robots, it's reshaping cities. China is building smart cities at unprecedented speed and scale. In Xiong'an, every lamppost, pipe and bin is sensor-equipped, feeding data to a central urban brain. In Hangzhou, traffic lights communicate with cars, optimizing flow and clearing paths for ambulances. The City Brain project has already boosted traffic efficiency by 15%. This digital nervous system manages air quality, trash collection, water leaks, maximizing efficiency and sustainability. China treats cities as systems to be optimized, not just built. Massive investment in 5G, IoT, and data centers powers this transformation. The government's top-down approach enables rapid nationwide rollout. These aren't just cities, they're blueprints for the 21st century, and China is exporting this model worldwide. The future of urban living is being written in China. The world is taking notes. Where does America stand in the smart city race? We're a patchwork. Innovation exists, Columbus, LA, and others, but efforts are fragmented, held back by bureaucracy and lack of vision. Our infrastructure is a web of public and private ownership, making integration tough. Legal battles, privacy concerns, and business interests slow progress. China mandates cooperation, America negotiates. Privacy is a major hurdle. Americans fear surveillance, value autonomy. This tension shapes our cities. China prioritizes efficiency. We prioritize freedom. The technology and talent are here, but political will and unity are missing. Can our bottom-up approach create smart, free cities? Or will we fall behind? The clock is ticking, and our infrastructure is aging. The gamble is real. The outcome is uncertain. The shockwave continues, now on the road. China's electric supercars are challenging Europe's legends. The Neo EP9 shattered records at Germany's Nürburgring, outpacing Ferrari and Porsche. 4 motors, advanced torque control, this is a computer on wheels. Brands like Neo, XPeng, and BYD's Yangwang Pack in LiDAR, AR displays, and battery swapping tech. The Yangwang U9 can drive on 3 wheels, even jump, thanks to advanced suspension. Massive R&D and government backing fuel this leap. China dominates the EV market using scale to innovate fast. These aren't just faster cars, they're smarter, more connected. China is no longer following, it's leading. The automotive crown is up for grabs. The world's fastest, smartest cars now come from the East. The old guard is on notice. The race has changed. The future is electric and Chinese. How is Detroit fighting back? It's a tough road. American automakers focused on trucks and SUVs, slow to embrace electric. Now they're playing catch-up as China surges ahead. Ford's Mach-E and GM's Ultium are solid, but is it enough? China controls the battery supply chain, giving its automakers a huge edge. While the US scrambles to build battery plants, China is already on the next generation. Software is the new battleground. Chinese cars offer seamless connectivity, AI, and in-car commerce. American companies struggle with legacy systems and slower cycles. China sells a connected lifestyle. America sells a car. The fight is for survival. Innovation, not legacy, wins races. America must accelerate or risk being left behind. The road ahead is steep and the competition is fierce. This isn't about isolated breakthroughs, it's a national strategy. China weaves AI, robotics, 5G, and manufacturing into a cycle of progress. Robots build supercars which drive in smart cities, all managed by AI. Each advance fuels the next. This integrated approach challenges the world order. America led for decades, but China now seeks to lead, building its own tech ecosystem. 2 titans, 2 systems. America's bottom-up innovation versus China's top-down mobilization. It's a clash of ideologies, a battle for the future. Who will set the standards for AI, control the world's tech platforms? This is a tech war, fought with data, chips, and algorithms. The outcome is uncertain. Every breakthrough shifts the balance. The world is watching. What does all this mean for you and your future? Everything. This isn't abstract. It's about jobs, prosperity, and the world your children inherit. When a nation builds faster, smarter, and cheaper, it gains a hard-to-beat edge. This is America's Sputnik moment. A wake-up call. In 1957, the Soviet satellites spurred us to invest in science and win the space race. We need that urgency now. This is not a time for complacency or division. It's time to recommit to innovation and building the future at home. China's rise is real, rapid, and relentless. We can ignore it, fear it, or see it as a challenge to be better. Leadership isn't a birthright. It's earned every day in labs, factories, and classrooms. America has never backed down from a challenge. We have the talent and resources. The question isn't whether China will succeed, it's what we'll do. Will we rise, unite, and unleash American ingenuity? The future isn't written. The race has started and we're behind. It's time to run. Let's get to work.